Take that hand out of there. I was coming for Derek and he just ran away. Where's Derek? Where did he go? It's your last day of school, bud. Alright, I need you to make your bed, okay? Last day, and the next morning you don't have to get up for school.
Away?
Sure, bud. That's fine. Make your bed, please.
Derek, then you'll be home forever with me?
For the summertime, okay? When summer's over, then you two go back to school.
My preschool?
No. To your, you remember you met your new teacher in your class? That's gonna be your class, okay?
And I'm gonna be in kindergarten.
Yes. We talk about this all the time. Derek, you met your teacher, right?
Mommy, can I help Derek make his bed?
Only if he wants your help, okay? Ask him.
Sure.
I gotta go make breakfast. Alright, we're gonna go pick up Derek for the last time this year. I'm hoping we get there before the bell rings, but we're going. Oh!
Friends before summer?
You're done with school, bud.
How was it? How was
Last day.
We were cheering for 5th grade outside, just the English classes. So we all went outside in the back and cheered for 5th
that's
grade.
where all the kids.
Wow. What are your plans this summer, huh?
Well, I already told Kristen.
You told Piston what your plans are? Well, tell me really quick.
No, I told him that it's summertime.
Yeah, but what are your plans? What do you want to do this summer before you start 3rd grade?
I don't know.
Well, we'll think about it, okay?
The clock.
Are you like me?
Yeah.
Do you want to be like me?
Yeah.
I
wanna
What?
Just caught that on camera. So the first thing we're doing after school is out for summer. We are gonna get books so the kids have things to read.
some video games.
Oh.
Yeah, but only after you read your books. Okay? And we're ghetto, so we're bringing a plastic bag. All
We
right.
lost her. Oh, wait.
Dad,
That's cute. So cool, huh? Uh-oh, Vera, are you okay? Be careful.
spaceships.
Monsters and planets. So cool.
Start your music. Let me turn the music off.
They're doing a show for us. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Wow. What? Are you trying to steal the show?
You can dance whatever you want to. Just
You guys should be here to hear and feel how heavy their feet are. Are you guys that excited that it's summertime?
Derek, you're like an Arabian dancer.
Okay, my turn to be the speaker. Vera, Aria, you go on stage. Vera, you come.
No, you're on stage. They're off stage over there.
No, Aria, get ready for your action, okay? Yeah, just dance. Ladies and gentlemen, the royals, me and Derek always dance together. And Aria's gonna dance just by herself. She's gonna dance all by her own. She's gonna dance all when she wants. And we're gonna dance whatever we want to.
All right, let's see it.
On your mark, get set, dance! Aria, you're in the show too.
Casey.
Yeah, you guys are like a 2.7 earthquake.
2.7 earthquake. And it's a constant earthquake here.
All right, wait for the aftershock.
There it is.
Eric, come here.
All right, so we did not pick up the camera yesterday on Saturday.
Just don't
Can you guys
step on
even hear
the
me?
handles. Go find a
We didn't do much. So Cameron worked on his car and I worked on a lesson I had to teach. But we were just doing our summer bucket list. Yay. And then we have our summer responsibilities chart. Oh, you want to show them slip and slide? We're going to do a slip and slide with one of Cameron's vinyl billboards. So anyway, they're going out. I have to add some color to my lips or I look dead. Oh my goodness, my beautiful girls. It's kind of chilly.
Stay here.
Chilly Willy.
Chili Will.
Do you remember Chilly Willy? Is that what it's called? That penguin that would come out with Woody Woodpecker? Chilly Willy.
My other Santa.
Oh, I'm gonna look it up so I can show you.
Share with you
I think that was his name. Do
I
you guys
didn't really
remember
watch
that?
Woody Woodpecker.
Oh, I loved Woody Woodpecker, honey. I grew up on Woody Woodpecker.
Yeah.
My mom still has a bunch of the episodes recorded. Oh, there he was. That's him.
That's Chilly Willy.
That's Chilly Willy. That's him. Daddy got some new work boots and he wants to break them in.
And try them.
He said they feel pretty good, so.
These are actually podiatrist
They're all
recommended.
tied.
Oh, there you go.
Hey, wait! Oh, easy. It's not just
He's
about jumping in
gonna
and
break
going.
them in wearing PJs. Oh, be careful, be careful. Silly boy. I do see you over there.
Can I show you something?
Yeah, this is a crazy house, guys. It's always this loud. You hear this constantly on our floors. It's pretty crazy.
It's Casey.
Tell me.
Today, this was the best day ever, cause in summertime we're gonna
really
do
good.
fun stuff.
Yes, they are so excited about the summer bucket list we did.
Yeah.
I gotta go do dishes. What? They feel good?
These feel really good.
That's good. Derek, sandals in the cabinet right now.
Like for being
You
a
two,
new
take
boot,
those off.
It doesn't feel new.
Oh,
They
that's
feel
good.
Like my other boots that I've
Like
had
they
for a
already
year and a half.
fit like a glove?
Yeah.
That's good. You gotta be careful with Casey, okay? Are you okay? Oh, I know. It's okay. Let's take these shoes off so you can go put them in the cabinet, okay? This kid loves to wear shoes. He loves them.
Put Abinadi in prison and commanded his priests to gather in council. King Noah and the priests.
All right, we're getting these kids ready for bed. Derek, tomorrow is your first weekday with no school.
I know.
It all starts tomorrow.
Guys, I'm putting my that twice.
Vera's ready.
I know, I wanted to get it on camera. That's why.
Vera's ready.
Oh, Vera's ready for prayer. Are you ready for prayer? Yes, you are. You're on your knees. On your
I'm
knees.
sleepy.
I don't know why your blankets are on the ground, bud.
I don't
Casey,
know.
on your knees.
Maybe
Show me how you
I
get on your
can
knees.
hold
And
my
fold your arms.
sheets down.
And fold your arms. Fold your arms. Nope, on your knees. On your knees, fold your
How
arms.
do these things work?
Fold your arms. Good job. He's ready. In our last vlog, we talked about Cameron's car and how it got wrecked and how we got a new door for the car and he has painted it because it was a different color. And so this is it. It's on the car now. It looks good. Cameron isn't happy with it, but I keep telling him that it's a homemade job. He painted it here. I think it looks fantastic for being that it was a homemade job. He wants it to look glossy like the van. Of course, this is very dirty right now.
It did come out good. I just think I need to do a little bit more to it, but I'm still in the finishing process of getting some stuff tied up to it and stuff.
But hey, it's not green anymore. That's awesome.
Right, and to anybody else, you're not gonna notice.
Yeah, and so, can I open it?
No.
Oh, okay. So anyway, he got this on, back on, he got this on, and
A lot of the inside
there's
stuff.
a few things that he has to add right here. And the window, of course.
As simple as it sounds, you could just take things off and paint it. I stripped the whole shell. It was bare, and
that's the wrecked one.
Was the color.
Yeah, that was that color.
And then let me show you the oh, there's my bit. Let me show you the damage. That's what Vivian did.
It's not funny.
I'm trying to be.
So anyway, so it just hyperextended open, and so there, it's all messed up right there, and it wouldn't close. So there's that, and he actually practiced stripping this one before he got to that one, because that one's gonna stay there. So anyway, so that was good practice, right?
It's super complicated. Just because since there was some damage on it, things weren't exactly coming out the way they should.
Oh yeah.
So
and they use these. What are these called?
That's a riv knot, and then they use some rivets.
Rivets. That's what he was complaining about.
I mean, I have like an extra glass, some rubber, if ever. I have a whole window motor thing now.
Anyway, Cameron can talk about this forever, so we're just gonna cut you off right here. Is that okay?
Sure.
Be free?
Sure.
It looks good, honey. It looks great. All right, well, we're done. We're gonna go to bed. See you next time.